It's steam time. It's steam time. It's steam time. Hey, hey, hey. It's steam time. It's steam time. It's steam time. Hey, hey, hey. STEAM scholars, let's bring back Sunny. You know what to do. We're gonna say, bring on the heat until he joins us. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bring on the heat. Bring on the heat. Bring on the heat. Sunny, my day is brighter. Hey, do you mind helping us recap what we've learned about thermal energy and then talk about careers our STEAM scholars could pursue one day?
Of course.
Let's bring on the heat. Last time, we learned that thermal energy is the energy an object has because of the movement of its molecules that tells us if something is hot or cold. Energy is the ability to do work.
Faster moving molecules mean that more energy is being used, which makes for a hot object. Slower moving molecules means that less energy is being used, which makes for a colder object.
Sunny taught us last time that we can often learn more about a word by learning its root word. A root word is the most basic part of a word. STEAM scholars, can you remember the root word for thermal? Take some time to discuss with your class now.
Sensational, STEAM scholars. The root word for thermal is therm. Therm means heat.
Heat is the transfer of energy to another object that is lower in temperature, just like when you add ice to a warm drink. Now that we know that therm is the root word for thermal, can you remember what other words that relate to heat using the root word therm? Take some time to discuss with your class now.
Superstars you are. A few words that contain the root word therm are thermostat, thermometer, thermos, and thermal.
That's right, Sunny. A thermostat is a device that automatically responds to the changes in temperature by the starting and stopping of heat. A thermometer is an instrument that tells the degree of hotness or coldness, which is temperature. Thermos are the insulated cups that keep hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. Insulated means prevents the loss of heat. And thermal, as in thermal clothing, is the clothing fabric that provides excellent insulation to keep the body warm. STEAM scholars, now that you know all of this information, I believe that one day you all can be a solar energy technician, which is a person who installs solar panels that convert the sun rays into electricity and heat.
Or you can be a thermal engineer, a person who studies the movement of heat, energy, and transfer.
Or maybe you would like to be an architect, a person who designs buildings and houses.
If I weren't so hot, I think I would like to be an architect. Say, Miss Wilson, do you remember our friend Jack from the book, If I Build a House?
Of course I do, Sunny. I think that is the perfect book for our STEAM scholars to understand more about architecture. Let's read a page. My house will be different. It can't be the norm. I'll think about traffic flow, function, and form. Oh, it may include shapes like a tower or dome, but I'll focus on what makes a building a home. It's the rooms on the inside that make it unique. So step through the door and let's take a peek. Oh man, I can't wait to find out what kind of house Jack is going to design. Can you, STEAM scholars? Be sure to read the book later. Now, before you go, check out some tips and questions to help you prepare for your project. Take out your design thinking process card to help you. A, ask, what am I trying to create? B, brainstorm. How can I use my materials to make what I'm trying to create? C, collect. What information have I learned that will help me create? D, develop. What is the first step I need to create? E, evaluate. What works, what doesn't work, and what can I do to make my design better? F, fine tune. Is my design where I want it to be? Are there any changes I need to make? Until next time, my STEAM scholars, shine your light, be great, and keep exploring. Bye-bye.